Greetings from AlphaCars in Acton. My name is Ben Griffin, and I'm here with a very special car, this beautiful 2006 Chrysler Crossfire convertible with the very rare 6-speed manual. This is a fantastic car and probably one of the best cars to come out of the Chrysler-Daimler merger that happened during this era. Underneath the skin, this is a Mercedes SLK, and you get all of the Mercedes performance, reliability, and safety, but with this very distinct American styling that looks great, the likes of which we'll never see again. This is a 3-owner Florida car with extremely low miles, just under 44,000. And honestly, we had to search very hard to find anything wrong with it. We have a couple of small disclosures with it. We have a little bit of discoloration on the top of the door handle on this in the driver's side, a little bit of curb rash here, and honestly, that's the worst of it. The tires are a matched set with 90% of tread life on them, great tires. You've got these Firestone Firehawks front and rear. We also have 90% of brake pad material on the front, 75% in the rear. No need to worry about these consumables for a long, long time. And this car looks absolutely great. Has most of its original paint on it. It's had some minor cosmetic touch-ups onto the door panel in the right rear quarter. That's it. It's lived its life in Florida with very low miles, very low impact driving, away from the salt and the rough New England roads that we have up here. And as we come to the back, we get to see one of the cool custom features on this, a MagnaFlow catback stainless steel exhaust. This sounds great. I want to start it up for you just so you can hear it. This may be the best sounding Chrysler that doesn't have a Hemi in it. It sounds great. It also adds 11 horsepower to that original 330 V6. And that's a very responsive engine, 0 to 60 in less than 7 seconds, and great reliability from it. This car is rated 5 stars from owners on Edmunds and 4.8 at cars.com. Terrific ratings any way you look at it. We have this rear deck lid spoiler, which is deployable by a switch, or you can have it lowered and it deploys automatically at highway speeds. A very cool touch, and it doesn't work on every single Chrysler you find out there. Coming into the trunk, I love the rubber here. The seal is nice and soft and pliable. It's not dried out. The plastics all look great. The nuts and bolts all look great. Nobody's put a wrench to them. And you actually have a decent amount of room. We have the original rubber mats in here and enough room for 2 overnight bags or some soft luggage. The roof, of course, stows down here, and while the roof is up, you get a much larger trunk. Coming over to the driver's side, again, we have a little discoloration up here, not much at all. And then coming into the interior, it looks great. All of the leather is in fantastic condition. All of the silver, the brushed nickel trim, look on there. There's no peeling away from it. The gear shift looks great. No strange or funny odors that are in it. Comfortable seats. Everything works. The other thing that this car has is a Kenwood head unit. This is actually a marine unit, so no worries if you have the top down and get caught in the rain, your radio's not going to short out. And this is paired to an Alpine amplifier and speakers and a JBL subwoofer, and it sounds fantastic. This also has the capability to have USB plug into it, memory stick, auxiliary output, and also satellite radio. A very nice touch, bringing this 2006 Chrysler into the modern era. Let's take a look under the hood. Now, with just under 44,000 miles, light use, and Florida ownership, this car looks great under the hood. Again, all the plastics are fantastic. The liner on the hood looks great. No signs of overheating. We've done a couple of small improvements in here just to make sure that it's perfect for the next owner. We went ahead and replaced the water pump, again, only because of age. It had nothing to do with the condition of it. We want to make sure the car is perfect. And we also did the valve cover gaskets, again, nothing wrong. We just wanted to replace them. When vehicles get to a certain age, certain things start to let go a little bit. We wanted to prevent that from happening and went ahead and addressed it. And the new owner is going to be able to enjoy this car for many, 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 many years. This is a great car in great condition, probably the finest one that you can find anywhere. If you've ever been interested in a Chrysler Crossfire convertible, this is the one. If you have any questions about it or any of our other inventory, please give us a call at 978-263-9000 or visit us on the web at alphacars.com.